Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. I want to tell you about this experiment that I'm doing. Many of you have heard about this. And today, what was so cool in our meeting is that I had everybody together. So there are three new people, new students in this program. They're just fresh and getting started. And my friend, who I've been teaching how to trade as this experiment over the last month or so. So this morning we were all in a room together. We were all looking at charts. We were all trying to sort out what is the market going to do and just talking through the way that I look at the markets and the way that I trade. And here's what was so cool and so encouraging is I was able to say to my friend who we've only really been working together for a little bit over a month. And so she's slightly ahead of the other three. But I was able to say to her, okay, why don't you describe, what you're seeing or what we're doing here? And for the most part, she totally had it. And I was like, yes, this is so awesome. One, it's working so far. We don't have any official results yet. So I'm not going to state that we do. But just the fact that she was then able to teach other people what she has learned herself and they were able to understand it and to get it, I'm like, yes, let's go. So, the reason that I wanted to share this with you today is we can always upgrade ourselves to whatever the next level is for us. We need first and foremost to get to consistency. Now, a lot of people try to do that trading really big size and risking way too much for their particular account or for their financial situation that they are currently in life. So I'm like, okay, why don't we bring it down, cut out a lot of that risk, but work on the repetitions to get that consistency. And by doing that, we are able to then change our results. Now, the problem with trading is that oftentimes we want results today. We want results tomorrow. We want results by next week or next month. And unfortunately, I mean, I fall into this trap too. It just doesn't happen that fast. It certainly doesn't happen as fast as any of us probably would like it to, because we see all the potential and we're like, whoa, we could make so much money if we could just get the market to go our way. We could just get ourselves to do these specific things and really just take it down a notch, work on that consistency. And then that is what will get you to that next level up, whatever that is for you. There isn't an end of this game. We can always go on, like in a video game, to the next level, except in this case, we have infinite levels. So there isn't a point where it's like, oh, we won the game, we're done. So, my encouragement to you is that things can be learned quite quickly if you are focused, if you are engaged, if you are optimistic about your own capability to learn it. That comes into play as well. Is, do you believe that you are able to get this? Because if you don't, as Henry Ford said, you either think you can or you think you can't. You're going to be right either way. So you have to be on board with yourself in getting to these goals that you are desiring. But once you have that, when you put in the time, when you put in the effort, it can turn around for you fairly quickly. So again, just a piece of encouragement for you at the end of this week. It's Friday. I hope you have an amazing weekend, and I will look forward to talking to you soon. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.